Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel once again. I will quickly explain to you in today's video simple and quick ways to know the type and model of the Central Processing Unit on your computer. Central Processing Unit is an abbreviation for CPU. This information is very important because knowing your processor tells you how powerful your device is, what programs and drivers it supports, and whether upgrades are feasible. It can also be very helpful when troubleshooting performance or compatibility issues. I'll explain the type and model of your CPU in 3 quick ways. First, through the Task Manager. You can also right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Next, click the Performance tab and then select CPU in the left column. And in the top right of the CPU panel, you'll see the name of the CPU and its base speed. For example, I have an Intel R Core Technology i5-2400 processor, 3.10 GHz. This is the CPU on the computer I'm explaining about now. Another way is through System Info tool, where the full system report is displayed. Open the Run window and enter the shortcut MSInfo32 and click the OK button. Select System Summary on the left side, and on the right side, look for the processor field. The processor line displays full text on your computer. You'll find the processor name, brand, type, and model. This method is useful when you want to get a full system summary, which you can copy or save. There's also another method, the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Open the Run window again, enter the shortcut dxdiag, and click OK to open it. After opening the tool, under the System tab, specifically under the System Information section, you'll find the processor name and CPU information, including the brand, model, and speed. You can also click Save All Information to create a text file containing the processor line and other details, which is useful when sharing system information. That is all you need to know about finding your CPU brand and model. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell button so you don't miss new Windows tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.